Hey folks, in this video I will guide you through how to download and install Adobe Acrobat Reader on Windows. So first of all, go to your web browser and search for Adobe Reader, and after that click on this first link. Make sure you are visiting this specific link before go to the website, because there are some scam websites are there. So after you go to the site, it will looks like this, and here by default this install McAfee security scan option is selected. So if you don't want to install it, just uncheck this and click download Acrobat Reader, and it will begin to download the Acrobat Reader setup to your machine. Okay, now you can see the setup is downloaded. So double click on it to begin the installation. So click on yes. So after that it will start to download the full setup from Adobe. Wait for some minutes until it downloads. Okay, so as you can see now Adobe Reader is installed, and you can see here now extension is also installed in my Google Chrome. So if you want to enable it, you can click enable extension so that you can read the PDF files in Google Chrome using Acrobat Reader like this. And also if you click finish on this installation window, you can set the default PDF opening program to Adobe Acrobat. If you don't want to do that, just keep your default application and click OK. And now you can see Adobe Acrobat Reader is opened here, and if I double click on this welcome PDF file, you can see it opened, and I can read the PDFs, and other features are also working like highlighting and other things. If you want, you can upgrade the Adobe Reader to Pro version so that you can use more advanced features that are not available within the free version. If you find this video is helpful, make sure to like the video and subscribe the channel. See you in the next video.